Hello all our Desi and Pardesi foodies out there. We are back with yet another delicious Hyderabadi recipe this week, which is Kaddu Ka Dalcha. A super delicious dal that is so easy to make and tastes absolutely yummy. So today we are going to show you a simple method of making this dal. So let's start by soaking 75 grams of tamarind in warm water for 20 minutes. For this recipe, we use a little more tamarind than we do for a regular dal recipe. In a pressure cooker, we've taken 1 cup of Chana Dal, wash it thoroughly and then add 2 cups of water and pressure cook it for 3 whistles. Once the dal has cooked, it should not turn completely soft but should still be grainy in texture and should look like this. So some of the lentil grains are still whole whereas some of them are mashed. So now we are going to lightly mash this dal. Now to a cooking pot, we are adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, we are adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and we'll let the seeds splutter. Then add 1 large sliced onion and saute. We are adding 1 teaspoon of salt or add as per your taste. This will allow the onions to sweat and cook faster. When the onions turn translucent, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and continue to saute. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and continue to cook till the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. Then we add in the kaddu pieces. Now when cutting the kaddu, make sure that you cut it into large pieces as the pieces once cooked will still hold their shape. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame till they are semi-cooked. Now we are adding in 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. You can increase or decrease the red chilli powder as per your spice tolerance. Also add 3 medium-sized tomatoes cut into large pieces. We've cut each tomato into 4 pieces and the chunky tomato pieces taste so delicious when eating the dal. Now let them cook for a minute and then add 2 slit green chillies and also add in the boiled dal. Now we've added about a glass of water to the pressure cooker so that we don't waste any leftover dal, and we are going to add that in as well. Give it a good mix and then add in the tamarind pulp. Add 3/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and mix well. We are also adding 10 to 15 curry leaves. Also add in 1 large glass of water to thin the consistency of the dal. Cover and cook the dal on medium heat. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, which should be enough time for the kaddu pieces to cook through. And dear friends, our Kaddu Ka Dalcha is ready to be enjoyed. Serve hot with rice, and this dal is a great accompaniment to any vegetarian or non-vegetarian curries. Do try it out at home, enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know how much you loved it by posting your comments in the comment section below. And before you go, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. And we will be back next week with another authentic, mouth-watering recipe. Until then, stay safe and have a lovely week ahead.